Oh wow, the Time 100 Summit Gala was quite fabulous. Yes, my darlings, let us talk fashion. And guess what? I dressed in red for the occasion. Do we live? Do we love? My darling Fumi Nation, how are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome, my darlings. Do we live? Do we love? This is a dress from one of our Fumi Nation family members, and it is called Tall Girl Slay. She sent me a couple of pieces, and I have been saving this dress for the Time 100 Summit Gala. I even did a little runway walk for you so that you could see the fabulosity of the back, my darling. It is completely backless, and I gave you all of the view. Thank you, my darling, for Tall Girl Slay. If you are relatively 5'9" and above, baby, come and get your pieces. I absolutely live and love this dress. I could have been at the gala, darling. I would have slayed, honey. I would have slayed. Talking about events, we have a meet and greet in July. Yes, we are having the most fabulous, the most wonderful Summer Splash Fumi Nation meet and greet on the 20th of July here in London, United Kingdom at the Novotel Hotel in Hammersmith. We are going to have goodie bags. I will be updating this event on a weekly basis just to include all of the brands that are going to be coming. We have special guests, my darlings. Oh my God. And the event is going to be from 1 to 6. And darlings, for the first time ever, you are going to have an exclusive to my brand. I am so excited. I cannot wait for you guys to be there. We are also going to have vendors. We have fashion. We have style. And for those of you that are coming from different countries, get in touch with Sabali Travel. They will book your flights for you. They will book your hotel rooms for you. They are the absolute best, and they booked for Fumi Nation last year. We're going to take pictures together. We're going to have a fabulous lunch. We're going to have fabulous cake, fabulous drinks, music, dancing. There are going to be giveaways. There are going to be prizes to be won. There is so much going to be going on. It's really an extravaganza. It is the Fumi Nation extravaganza, and all of the brands that I love for my skin, for my hair, Healthy Hair Studio, it's going to be there. The makeup, it's going to be there. All the sweets and all the treats. It's an extravaganza. It's going to be a day to remember. And yes, my darling, it's a family occasion, so the children can absolutely come. Absolutely come. We are going to have fabulous day, and it's going to be on a Sunday. On a Sunday, my darlings. So come along, come with the family, and be ready to be entertained. Get ready to be motivated. Get ready to be inspired with the special guests that we have. It is going to be like no other. And I did this especially for you, to show my gratitude for all that you have done for me all of these years. You're going to live for it. Tickets are below. And I am so excited to tell you that we have Juvi'a's Place. Juvi'a's Place is going to be one of our sponsors. I had a beauty campaign with Juvi'a's Place when I was 51, and then I had another one again at 52. They are the best, and I have listened to everything that you guys have said. So we are coming back with the makeup. I'm going to show you how I wear my makeup now at 56, how everything has changed. Even the false lashes, I cut them and do little individuals because they're just too heavy for me now, and this is like a glam look, which I am living and loving. So Juvia's place is going to be there. We've got so many booths. We've got so many vendors. I am so excited for you guys. I can't say enough. Good things come in amazing packages and prices because I have Eloise, and you know, if I like it, I know you guys are going to love it. Eloise is a fabulous beauty brand. Their packaging is nothing short of phenomenal. They are going to be they are going to be at the meet and greet, and you are going to love them. The girls are so beautiful. They're so glamorous. They're so classy. They're so exquisite. They show you how to apply their blusher. I'm wearing their blusher today. Their blusher, fantastic. The packaging, just look at the packaging. Gorgeousness. Don't forget to use my discount code Fumi, and this is very, very unique. I mix my lipsticks, I mix my shadows, I mix my highlighter on their platter. Eloise. So darlings, we are good to go. We've got Juvia's place and we have got Eloise. We're going to come out here and do some makeup tutorials for you that you're going to live and love. I also have Eloise lipstick. I'm wearing that today. So creamy. So creamy. And then you know Juvia's. You know Juvia's is going to come out with a little poppy in the center. And that's how I do my red lip. Juvia's place, Eloise. Tutorials coming. You're going to live and love. So my darlings, we have the red carpet fashion police for the Time 100 Summit Gala that was held in New York last week. And we haven't done some fashion in a while. You guys said, Fumi, come on with the fashion, with the beauty, with the makeup, with the skincare, with the fitness. I'm bringing it all back. I'm bringing it all back because you girls deserve to be Fuminized for the summer of 2025. So, without a beat, we had my beautiful, my amazing and gorgeousness, Meghan Markle. Meghan Markle was invited to have a sit-down talk at the Time 100, my darlings, because as far as I'm concerned, she is super duper influencer. I live for her. Thank you for the flower sprinkles. I put them on my salad, darling, and I'm living and loving none other than my wonderful Meghan Markle. And she was wearing a Ralph Lauren suit. She also wore, let me just pull this up. She also wore Manolo Blahnik's, I love it, Sex and the City. And then she had gorgeous earrings and a beautiful crisp white shirt to go. She had her usual jewelry. You know how the presser, she's got so much jewelry on. She wears the same tank watch that was given to her when she got married to Harry, and it was the late Princess Diana's. I love her hair. Love her hair. I love the makeup. I live for the earrings. I thought it was so fabulous. Now, I live for Meghan Markle's style. Love it. I think it's always classy and I think it's really timeless. I just love the way she pulls things together. In this case, if she had wore more of a hipster pant and it was narrow in the leg, it would have elongated her torso and it would have shown off her beautiful legs. I would have loved if the jacket was a little bit much more structured and it was nipped in a little bit so that we could see her wonderful figure. I love the fact that she pulled up the sleeves. I do that with my jackets, and you can use an elastic band to hold it up. The pant was too wide and it was too long for her. Having said that, the suit from Ralph Lauren sold out. It absolutely it sold out. So the Meghan effect is there. Loved her hair, the makeup, the brows, everything else was fresh. Lovely to see you, Meghan. You always look You always look absolutely delicious. Then we had Nicole, my darling, Scheringer, and she was wearing Zuhair Murad. Well, hello, Jessica Rabbit. She looked like $1 million. The hair, the makeup, the dress, it was beautiful to a hilt. There's nothing to be said. This is how I wear black. I'm not crazy about the color black for anything for me. I just feel that it doesn't do a lot for me. But if I'm to wear black, I will wear black sequins. She was absolutely immaculate. Absolutely immaculate. Somebody else out here is eating their salads and minding their business. Go right ahead, mama. I live and love. Then we had Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds. Blake Lively is not one of my favorite people. I don't hate her. That's too much energy on a 56-year-old. I don't hate her. I just don't like what she did to Justin Baldoni, because you can see it in all of the receipts. The same goes for her husband. I don't like what they did, but I also understand that they've got to continue living their lives and they cannot stay in a pigeonhole. They can't, it's impossible. So here we have Blake Lively in Zuhair Murad official, and she looks absolutely divine. She's got a beautiful figure. The hair is gorgeous. I love the earrings that she paired with this almost dark salmon color, and it hit the carpet, hit it right on its nail. It's a very old Hollywood glam dress that shows her figure, and then she's got the tail in the back. It was absolutely scrumptious, and might I add that Ryan Reynolds also looked fantastic. I don't know about the hair. The hair just looks a little, odd. Too much gel, too much hairspray, but the bow tie, precise. The lapel, precise. Absolutely fabulous. I'm sure they must have taken their time to put this together, because they know that people are going to be out here criticizing. Well, this episode is about fashion, and I'm going to stick to that. I love the cream paired with the salmon. I loved the hair. She has a hair brand, I think Blake Brown. I think that's what it's called. So maybe she used the Blake Brown products, but she looked absolutely scrumptious. Then we had our wonderful Serena Williams. Serena Williams was wearing Stella McCartney. Go right ahead, mama, and let them know what you're working with. I think her figure is beautiful, and her makeup has improved considerably. The brows, I just have to give her a round of applause, because there was a time when I just thought that there was a whole family living in her brows. They were just so bushy, but now they're toned down. I live and love the gloves. I live and love the cutout. She is looking lovely, snatched. The hair does not look too much. It doesn't look too strawy. The color of hay. I wasn't feeling that. And she's got beautiful little heels to match. And the smile is gorgeous. Yes, Serena, you have come a long way, baby. And you are looking wonderful. I have to give you your flowers. I'll give you your flowers when I see it, when I know it, when I feel it. Yes, ma'am. Simone Biles. And she was wearing Oscar de la Renta. Adorable, because she's petite, and she wore something that really showed off her legs. I love the skinny sandals. I thought that they were so gorgeous. It just made everything effortless. The smile, the hair, the makeup, loved it. Also, Demi Moore. And Demi Moore was wearing what? She was wearing Gap. Yeah, custom Gap by Zac Posen. I loved it. I love the chiffonness of it all, the whimsicalness of it all. Her hair is so long. I don't know whether she has extensions, but I thought it was really gorgeous. She looked beautiful. She looked happy. I love this color on her. It was a wonderful contrast to her dark hair, and then the jacket over it. So, if you're a little bit cold, you can just nip it in at the waist. Let me know if you want me to talk about all the controversy about Gayle King and the crew going to space. I haven't touched on it yet because we've had so many, hot topics. I haven't gotten around to it, but let me know if you want me to touch on that. And Gayle King was wearing black halo, and it was a seafoam green. Is she 70 now? She's 70 now. I thought she looked wonderful, but Gayle, I think that you have to stand upright. Stand upright. When you hunch over. Ula? Yes. Okay. I think she has to stand up straight. When you hunch over, it makes you look older, a little bit more haggard. I saw when you rang the bell and you don't, your face, you have to look alive, darling. If you are living, especially now, me in my 50s, I live every moment. I insist on being more fabulous now than when I was younger. Why? Because I'm just fully cognizant of time, if that makes sense. So I want every moment to be wonderful, and I want every moment to be fabulous. And when I look fabulous, I feel fabulous. But part of that also is standing straight. Standing straight, flatten your tummy, always crunches, always pulling your tummy, no matter what, even when you're sitting, because it really helps with your frame. And so you're sitting up. Do you see? As opposed to this. You're sitting up. Sit up. Stand up. And that's what I felt she should have done. The dress was wonderful. She needs my bra. She needs to learn how to pose. She needs to stand upright. Other than that, she looked absolutely fabulous, and I'm celebrating her. The dress was absolutely gorgeous. Loved it. But I did not like the way she was standing, as if she was going to fall over, and the shoes were too heavy. A sandal, that's all you need. Scarlett Johansson showed up wearing a beautiful black dress. Her hair was pulled back and she looked fresh. The makeup was magic as far as I'm concerned, and I love the little detail. It's giving me Calvin Klein, Donna Karan from the 90s circa. It could be a vintage piece, I am not very sure, but it really just showed her in the best light, and I lived and I loved it. Let me see, they're telling me right here, the dress is by Natalie Page Gilhu, and I loved it. Very elegant, very appropriate. And then we had Don Lemon and his husband there as well. They looked absolutely fantastic. Sharp, always in the details with the bow tie. I would have loved to have seen a velvet bow tie just to give it that extra debonair. But he's a handsome man. His husband is equally gorgeous, and I thought they looked fabulous. Dua Lipa was there looking scrumptious. I love the drop necklace, the gorgeous aubergine hair, and that sparkly dress of hers with the bow in the waist. It was everything. I lived for it. So this is a little recap of what happened at the Time 100 Summit Gala in New York last week, and they looked fabulous. Again, this is by Tall Girl Slay. I pinned it on the side. You can really do different silhouettes with the bust line, and because I'm sitting here with you guys, I don't want to dip over. We have to be decent at all times. We have to be decent at all times. And so thank you, Tall Girl Slay. I love this dress. I love it, and I will be shopping with you because I'm long. Long arms and everything. So thank you very much, my darlings. I hope you enjoyed the episode, and look forward to makeup tutorials. I will come out and do the hair tutorials, darlings. This is by none other than Healthy Hair Studio. They will be yes, they're going to be at the meet and greet. Eloise will be at the meet and greet. Juvia's place is going to fill up our goodie bags. It's just so exciting, and I'm so humbled. Brands start coming as we start getting closer, and it's just magic. I cannot wait to see you. The tickets are below. We are filling up rather quickly, as a matter of fact, and exciting times. All of my love, my darlings. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you. I'll see you sooner than later. Mwah.